Good morning children, welcome to MBM classes. Today let us visualize quadratic formula which is given by x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This quadratic formula is nothing but the solution of the quadratic equation which is given by x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now let us visualize this quadratic equation to find out the solution of this equation, that is the quadratic formula. Since you are having x square over here, let us take a square of side x. So the area will be x square over here, and since there are ax square, we will be taking square x a times. And similarly, if you are going to consider this over here, x over here, it is a rectangle of length x and breadth 1. And since it is bx, let us take b number of rectangles over here. And the constant is only c, where the length is c and the breadth is 1. So 1 into c will be equal to c, and here x into 1 is equal to x. The area will be x, and since there are b rectangles over here, you are taken b times over here. And since there are a squares over here, you are taking a squares over here. Now what is the next step we are going to do? We are going to divide this equation by a. So all these squares are divided by a. Here also it is divided by b upon a. So now let us see what is going to happen over here. So each term is divided by a over here. So when you divide by a, the only thing, so a and a will get cancelled. So what is left out? Only x square is left out over here. So if you are going to divide it by a in the term of x over here, so it becomes b upon a. So finally this is remaining over here, and the constant term is also divided by a over here. So the length becomes c by a and the breadth becomes 1. So the area becomes c by a. Now let us arrange this in this form, where that is, this is x square and this is b by a into x, and the constant is given as minus c upon. Now let us divide this rectangle into two equal parts, that is as b upon 2a and b upon 2a, and arrange this rectangle over the square over here. So after the arrangement, you are able to see over here there is a small space unoccupied over here, which is nothing but the area of a square over here, whose length is 2 by b upon 2a and whose breadth is also b upon 2a. So the area of this square will be equal to b upon 2a whole square. So in order to add this square over here, I have to add on both LHS and RHS. So I am going to add the area of b upon 2a whole square on both the sides. So here you are able to observe this b upon 2a whole square, which is nothing but b square upon 4a square, is added on both the sides. So here when the square is added, the same square has to be added over here also, whose, so when you add over here, you are able to see the length is b upon 2a over here. Here also the length is b upon 2a over here. So the area becomes b square upon 4a square. So to this minus c upon a, we have added this area, that is b square upon 4a square, and here we have added a square of b square upon 4a square. Now taking the common denominator, we are getting b square minus 4ac square. Next step, this left hand side can be written as, so as you observe over here, it is a perfect square over here. So this left hand side can be written as x plus b upon 2a whole square. So other side it becomes square root, where we can write plus minus over here. Now let me take this plus b upon 2a to the other side. So when you take plus b upon 2 a to the other side, it becomes minus b upon 2a, and this we can take the square root of 4a square as 2a. So the denominator will become same to both the numbers over here, b upon 2a and b square minus 4ac. So we can take 2a common outside and write it like this, minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Thus we have derived the quadratic formula, which is a solution to the quadratic equation. Hope you understood how you got the quadratic formula using this animation method. And this method also explains how you can solve the quadratic equation by completing the square method. From the completing the square method, we have derived this quadratic formula.